Designing electrical parts for use in mechanical assemblies can be problematic, especially because, well, let's face it, you often feel like you're alone on an island. Sharing designs between departments can be sporadic and inconsistent, with little collaboration. In fact, most departments seem to live on separate islands. Common office tools are rarely optimized for collaboration, and when these tools are inadequate, communication breaks down, resulting in costly and time-consuming blunders and rework. Poor communication between design departments can lead to integration issues, disjointed bills of materials, and worst of all, wasted time and money. There has to be a better way. Enter SOLIDWORKS Electrical. In addition to providing great design tools, SOLIDWORKS Electrical is a highly efficient way to create a collaborative bridge between departments. With easy-to-use integrated department-specific tools, SOLIDWORKS Electrical provides for coordination between multiple electrical engineers, collaboration of electrical and mechanical design, and the unification of bills of materials among all departments. SOLIDWORKS Electrical takes the guesswork out of electrical mechanical assembly design and simplifies the electrical design process so you can focus on designing while minimizing design errors. Take your designs off an isolated 2D island and into the next dimension, collaborative 3D.